Hello all. So today I am going to explain how to create shortcut in CANoe. So actually when you install CANoe, so it is not created by default, that shortcut. So every time you have to go to search bar and you have to search CANoe, or you have to scroll down uh, to open it from there. So here I will show you how to create a shortcut. So first go to program files in C from C drive, then search for vector CANoe. Here I installed CANoe 13 and 17, so I am showing for 13. So whatever you install, you can open from vector CANoe. Then my system is 64 bit, so I will open this one. If your system is 32, then you can open this folder. So go there, then search for CANoe 64 here, this application. Then select right click, send to, create shortcut, then scroll in, then here you can check a shortcut is created.